guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing so well today. Today I wanted to talk about my sort of customization ideas for wheelchairs and also my bags, on how I carry things in my wheelchair, and all of the sorts of different types of bags that I've got on my wheelchair that I have sort of developed over the years and found them to be really useful. So I really wanted to share them with you because I think they will really help you as well. Also, if you've got any good ideas on how you carry things or how you have your bags on your wheelchair, make sure to drop it down below so that if anybody is reading the comments, they can read it too and get some help from that as well. Before I go on, I just want to say that I'm absolutely thrilled that on my channel the community tab has been enabled, which is so great because now I can keep in contact with you guys. We can do polls, we can discuss up and coming videos, how you want them filmed. It's really great that we can all get involved and make my videos really good quality and enrich other people's lives and just help other people feel less alone. What's also really nice is that I have noticed some of you guys have been talking to each other and making friends, and so it's really nice that we're able to build a community. Anyway, let's move on with the video because today I'm going to be showing you my customization ideas on my wheelchair and things that have sort of over the years made me feel a little bit more confident on my wheels and made me feel a bit happier about them as well. Because transitioning into a wheelchair can be a very big step. It can be an awful time really, but it does get better and it can enrich your life and make your life better because it enables you to go out. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out my 7 benefits of using a wheelchair, because that I think would be very useful to you if you are struggling being on wheels. So let me talk about my wheelchair and my bags now. So the first bag I'm not going to talk about too much because it does feature in my swearing in and out of my car video, so you have heard about it, and if you haven't then go and check it out. But this is my Louis Vuitton Speedy that sits on my lap, and this is the bag that I use as my handbag. So I've got my everyday items like my purse, my phone, my keys, my lip balm, all that kind of jazz. And it's really great because it fits beautifully on my lap and I can just dig in and out and get out whatever I need. It's also got extra space in there if I want to put anything in it, and I can still wheel myself. The only thing I will say is that if I'm going down a curb, sometimes it does slide off, so I've got to bear that in mind. So if you're looking at getting some sort of bowling bag like this, maybe look for a fabric bag so it's got a little bit of friction against the material on your legs so it doesn't just slide off the way this canvas bag does. But yeah, this is a really good idea for if you're looking for a handbag type thing to have on your lap. So the next kind of bag that I have is underneath, and I call this my undercarriage or my boot, and I think in America you call it a trunk, like in the back of the car. So this bag is insanely useful. I not have a wheelchair without an undercarriage bag anymore because it's just been a lifesaver. So this bag always stays on the bottom of my wheelchair, which is why it is so disgusting. It's actually eggshell blue, but it kind of looks pretty gross actually. And what I put in here is I put my radar key, so I've always got it on me even if I haven't got my handbag on me. And it's also really great to put a bottle of water in. I don't really want to put a bottle of water in my handbag because it makes it heavy, and it's quite big and bulky if you've got a bottle of water in there. But having it underneath is great because yeah, you forget it's there, but you've always got it and you've always got water on you. And I don't know about you, but I hate being without water. I'll just show you how it's fixed on. So I've just taken the cushion off, and what you've got here is you've got the strap, so it's kind of like a messenger bag, and it just goes around and then under the bag. In England we call it a bum bag, and in America I think you call it a fanny pack, which is hilarious because a fanny is something completely different here in the UK. So here's my bag, as you can see. So it just kind of goes around the seat frame like that and clips in like that. So if you can get like a bum bag or something like that to go under your wheelchair, I highly recommend it. So the next little bag is on the back here, and this is a new bag, but the concept is old because I usually have a little backpack on the back of my wheelchair. But how cute is this bag? It's from Primark, and as you can see, it has got like the little Minnie Mouse ears. It's got a little Minnie Mouse lock here and a little pouch, which is super duper useful. And it just goes over the back of my wheelchair like that, like shoulders really. And it's such a great idea to have a backpack on the back of your wheelchair, because you can have the backpack in all sorts of shapes and sizes. If we're going out for the day, we'll put a bigger backpack on the back, and then we can put our picnic in there. We can put a picnic blanket, water, sunscreen, and anything you need for a big day out. And when I'm just on my own, I'll put my little backpack on the back, and I can put anything that I need, and also sometimes I'll put my shopping in there as well. I never would put anything of monetary value on the back, because you never know, and you can't feel what's going on behind you. So yeah, I'd always play it safe and don't put anything in there that is of value, like a camera or a phone. But what's really great about having a backpack on the back is you can put your own stamp on it, you can put your own sort of personality on it, which can make you feel a bit better about using your wheelchair. If you've got your favourite backpack on the back that's really sort of identifiable to you, nice big jolly backpack or whatever really, it can just make you feel a bit better having your own sort of stamp and your own personality on things. This one's really me. I think it's really nice and fun. I like to think I'm fun. And also my daughter loves it as well, so we can share the bag. So that's that for the bags. So make sure you let me know what kind of bags you use. So here's another sort of customization type thing. So I've gone for the spinachy wheels, which I know they don't come cheap, but ever since having the spinachy wheels, it's made me feel a lot more confident about using my wheelchair, and it's made me feel a bit better about it as well. And with the spinachy wheels you can choose your colours as well. I know that there is a girl on YouTube called Chronically Jackie. I don't think I've really properly watched her videos, but I know that she's got really pretty pink spinachy wheels. She's also got lights, which I was quite tempted to get as well. I think they're bicycle lights, and I do talk about them in my babysitting my niece vlog when we go to Asda, because they had them there. So go and check that out. And also, yeah, Chronically Jackie has got the little lights that go on the spokes. They look super cool, but being the super cool mum that I am, I don't go out at night. Another sort of customization type thing that you can do is the castor wheels. If I just tip this back. Oh, it's got the bag on. On my castor wheels, they light up. They look a lot better at night. They light up, and I think that's a really nice way to add a bit of customization, and people love it when they see them. They're like, oh my god, they're so cool. Whether you like having that attention or not, you've got to bear that in mind, because sometimes it does get a bit tiring, but they are pretty cool. And also it kind of helps children not be so scared of wheelchairs as well, because they're like, oh yeah, they're so cool. And really all they are scooter wheels. If you say that as well, it kind of normalises the situation and helps children sort of grasp the idea and feel a bit more comfortable around it. Also with my frame is carbon fibre, and it's not painted, but I was able to choose, it's got these kind of little stickers on, and I was able to choose red, grey or white, I think, and I wanted the white because I wanted it to match the white wheels. And I've got the white upholstery here as well, and I think that looks nice with the wheels. So sometimes when you are looking for a new wheelchair, they give you little options like that as to colours. When it comes to having the wheelchair frame a colour, just be careful, because I don't know about you and I don't know how long you're going to keep your wheelchair for, but if you're going to keep it for a good number of years, at one stage in your life having it bright canary yellow might seem like a really good idea, but in like 5 years time, will you still like that bright canary yellow frame? Also, it's going to make you stand out, and if it is the whole frame, it can be very in your face. So when you're picking a colour for the frame of your wheelchair, really think carefully about it before you do, but obviously do what is right for you and what's comfortable for you. That's just my advice. I would be very careful about sticking stickers on your frame. If you are going to stick stickers, make sure that they're proper sort of bike stickers or car stickers that you know are going to stay on there, and not peel off like paper stickers, because there's nothing worse than when you've got like a peeled off sticker and it's left that white residue, which is an absolute nightmare to get off. Yeah, and make sure that you really like the design before you stick it on there. Yeah, so I think that is it really for this video. Make sure to leave me a comment down below, give me the old thumbs up. Sorry I'm asking so much, but you know, gotta do these things. And if you do like this video, then why not check out my most recent video, which is all about how to clean your wheelchair. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care and have a good week. Mwah!